Hi, I'm Tom Addy, and I'm the Eastern Regional Sales Manager for SV Microwave. I'm going to talk to you today about our waterproof RF cable assemblies. We have designed these assemblies to be ideal for harsh environment applications through a series of sealed O-rings in the connector. There is an external O-ring on the bulkhead flange, but what makes this connector different is the addition of an internal O-ring in the dielectric and the center contact, ensuring water cannot ingress through the connector. In fact, our waterproof RF cable assemblies carry an IP68 rating, which signifies an intensive level of protection. While an IP67 rated product can remain intact while submerged a meter deep in water for 30 minutes, we have these connectors as IP68 because they can withstand submersion for 30 minutes or more at depths of 1.5 meters. Let's see this in action. I have here a 2.92 millimeter connector that is waterproof. We have mounted it inside a little tray, and we're going to submerge this in water. I have a piece of litmus paper that I'll put right here on the tray so that we can ensure that it stays dry. Okay, let's see this in action. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. Let's check out whether the litmus paper is still dry. This is another dry litmus paper, just to show you what it looks like when it's wet. And here is the dry litmus paper. We have a successful test. Obviously, this tank is not 1.5 meters deep. However, we have tested these in our own lab at that depth and have proved that the concept does hold true. You can visit svmicrowave.com for our full line of waterproof RF cable assemblies, connectors, and adapters. Thank you.